In the chapter of vapor power cycle, we earlier discussed the reheat cycle. Second one is binary vapor cycle, and third is cogeneration cycle that is used in power plant. Second, as the name indicates, binary vapor cycle that includes two working medium. Two working fluids are used in the cycle. Here the mercury boiler mercury boiler is installed, which is used to convert the mercury into mercury vapors. जैसा कि बॉयलर स्टीम बॉयलर है, वाटर को कन्वर्ट करता है स्टीम में. इन द सेम वे मरकरी बॉयलर इनपुट इज मरकरी, सो नेम इज मरकरी बॉयलर. इन द सेम वे मरकरी टर्बाइन and the ST for steam turbine. Start from the here. Boiler generates the steam, goes into ST for steam turbine. After steam turbine, steam enters into the condenser that condenses the steam and converts it into the liquid form water with the help of feed pump. Liquid goes via heat exchanger in the mercury boiler. Here goes in the mercury boiler. In this point, heat exchanger, as the name indicate, heat exchanger, हीट का आदान प्रदान करना. अब मरकरी बॉयलर जनरेट्स द अगेन steam in the form of mercury. Mercury goes in the empty for mercury turbine. Mercury turbine work is the same as a turbine. Mercury turbine expands and generates work done, work output, electricity or power generation with the help of generator. As reheat cycle, exhaust point is here. Exhaust points passes in the heat exchanger and again goes in the steam superheater where it superheated. Superheater is the basic accessories of the boiler. We discussed in the chapter 2nd, steam superheater. And steam in the state of superheated position goes in the steam turbine again here, and the cycle completes. Second one is cogeneration cycle. We focus on the second figure 2. Start from the boiler again. Boiler दूसरा नाम कह सकते हैं steam generator. Boiler generates the steam, passes to point 6 and with the help of steam nozzle it goes towards turbine turbine expands here and give the result in the form of power generation, electricity generator. At the point 8, that is the exhaust point of the turbine, exhaust steam again goes into the condenser. Here condense and feed pump 1 extract the liquid water at the point 2. कोजनरेशन में स्टीम को हम टरबाइन से, दैट मीन्स ब्लेडिंग, BLEDI, ब्लेडिंग, some part of the steam we extract from the turbine here at the point 7, and we used in the process heater. We used process heater means हम स्टीम का सम पोर्शन ब्लेड करते हैं स्टीम से, ब्लीडिंग से बना है वर्ड ब्लेड, ड्रेनेज भी कह सकते हैं, ड्रेनेज, सम पार्ट लेते हैं और इसको हम प्रोसेस हीटर में प्लांट के और कामों में यूज कर सकते हैं। इसको प्रोसेस हीटर के थ्रू प्लांट में इस टेम्परेचर को यूज कर सकते हैं। एट द पॉइंट 7 and 3, that is the process heater. Again, temperature of the steam used in the process heater, condensed part is in the form of liquid. At point 4, with the help of pump, feed pump, FP for feed pump, again liquid goes in the boiler. Here at the point 5, again boiler starts and the steam generation goes at the point 6, and again through the turbine. Again we get the work done with the help of generator. Exhaust steam goes in the point 8, and some part of blade steam we use in the process heater. That is the cogeneration cycle we use in the power plant. Thank you, students.